Welcome back to the green room, everybody. We have to apologize again. Dio Rouge couldn't make it today. So we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna do a
taste test.
Yeah, coffee taste test and see if we can guess the right coffees. We have 7-Eleven, Tim Hortons, Coffee Culture, A&W, Co-op, Other Brother Roasters, and McDonald's. So we're gonna pick teams.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, everybody reach for a straw.
Oh, Dixie.
Okay. Who's who?
I'm with Edgar.
Me and Lucas. Me and Goosey Goose.
Let the games begin.
Get it started. Let's go.
All right, green team is first. That's me and Lucas. Woo!
Found it. Pooned
We're
it.
gonna start with coffee number one. Shut
up.
Gonna start with coffee number one. Let's give that a sniff. I thought we were gonna dink it.
No. It smells bad. Or good. I don't know.
It tastes super burnt.
That definitely, I hope, is not the pour over.
Oh man.
It might be. It's got a pretty good aftertaste.
Mm-mm.
No? It tastes like coffee I drink every day at work, so that's probably a bad sign.
I think it's either the Co-op beer.
Coffee.
I think it's either the coffee, Co-op coffee.
Yeah.
English is hard. Or it's 7-Eleven.
Yeah, because there's not enough grinds in it for it to be Coffee Culture. It could be Tim. It could be Tim's. I'm only used to drinking Tim Hortons coffee when it's like scalding hot.
Tim's always tastes like cigarette ashes.
Oh man.
I could be super wrong though.
You
know what? I have my answer. What are you thinking?
I think it's Co-op. No, I think it's 7-Eleven.
Okay. I'm going with Co-op.
Oh.
Still.
Close one.
Okay, numero dos. Cheers.
It tastes literally the same.
Mm-mm.
Oh no! This one doesn't. This is McDonald's.
This one doesn't taste burnt at the beginning, but it does at the end. It has a really bad aftertaste.
This one has to be. It just tastes like McDonald's. Oh no!
I don't know. McDonald's is actually pretty good.
I'm not used to having just lukewarm coffee. I feel like we need to make really loud slurping noises.
You know, annoy some people.
Oh, that's gross. Never mind. Change my mind. Oh. I think it's Coffee Culture.
I don't think I don't agree with you, but I got my pick.
What are you going with?
I'm going with A&W.
Oh, I'm gonna be so wrong on everything. Are we gonna have a chance to switch them after?
At the end?
Yeah.
I think so.
If you now if number 4 or whatever you think is Coffee Culture,
yeah,
you can move number 2.
Okay, deal.
Right. Yeah. Cheers. Oh, I know what this is.
It's not bad.
I think this is OBR.
Yeah, it does taste a lot better than the rest.
I'm gonna be so wrong. But it has that smooth.
Yeah, and it doesn't have the familiar taste of a burnt pot.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah, that's
unanimous.
Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah, that's good.
We're gonna be so wrong.
This one smells bad. This one tastes good too. Now.
Oh crap.
I need to have some of my lime water.
Yeah, good call. Good call. Let's clean that.
Oh, that's bad. I drank too much.
Gotta clean that palate though.
I think this is Tim Hortons.
Well, I mean, you can decide. I think it's Coffee Culture.
You're wrong.
Well, I guess we find out. Let's move on. You think it's Timmy's?
I don't know. I'm gonna be wrong on everything. I'm pretty sure.
Number 5. Here we go.
Does it smell like diarrhea to you?
Yeah.
Like, actually, though.
This smells like ass.
Oh, that's so bad. Wait. Is it good?
Oh, wait.
Is it good?
It tastes really good.
No, this is Other Brothers.
Oh, for sure it is. Why did it smell so bad?
It smells bad. It doesn't smell good.
It tastes really good. I changed my mind. I think...
No, and okay, I'm gonna say this. I think it smelled weird because we're just like all the other ones smelled exactly the same, and this one, but this one smells very different. And at first it was just kind of like, does it smell like a fart, or does it smell like a rainbow?
It smells... Well, beans cause farts, and these are made out of coffee beans, so...
This has to be
yeah,
this.
I agree. Which one was mine there?
That one.
They're the same number, so
Yeah.
So I think...
Okay, so then do we have to retry this one?
if you want.
I'm putting this at McDonald's.
Yeah. I'm gonna agree with you there.
I'm gonna cleanse my palate.
Oh, I already feel the jitters.
Really?
Yeah. No.
You had like 2 schlucks.
Yeah, but it's, you know.
It's a Slurpee
tap
you
it.
had already.
Yeah, so good. This one could be Tim Hortons.
I agree with you. It doesn't taste great,
I'm not gonna
but
lie.
it's not that bad.
It could be. It could also be something else, for sure. It's also a possibility. I'm gonna do the all.
Have I
Swap
done
around here.
7-Eleven?
Yeah, because I have. No, I did 7-Eleven. Yeah.
I mean, you can have 2 at 7-Eleven.
Wait, Ed, did I do 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm putting this at Timmy's.
I'm putting mine at 7-Eleven.
Oh, that. This one I'm just gonna put here.
Co-op.
Yeah.
All right, last one. Can we get it?
Oh,
We gotta win, man. We have to. You know how Chris is. We
I
have to
know.
win.
It's gonna get way too competitive. That's McDonald's. That's.
I think you're right.
'cause that's pretty good.
That's really good.
See, I always thought I thought the co-op one I was gonna for sure know.
I think I did. It tastes
Wait, okay,
like
I haven't guessed A&W yet.
I think the co-op one tastes like what Osama bin Laden's beard smelled like.
Okay, wait. Have you haven't guessed Tim's yet, hey?
Yes, that is mine.
I thought that was
Isn't
mine.
it?
No,
Did I
that's
guess
that's
Tim?
mine at Tim's.
That is yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, this is McDonald's.
None of them have tasted bad enough to be Tim's.
No, I'm going. Well, Tim's isn't
But
terrible.
that's actually a good thing, I guess.
Did you switch one?
I switched my
Number 3.
number 3, so I took my number 3 away. I put number 7 at McDonald's there.
I'm putting number 7 at Timmy's.
I guess I'm just putting this at A&W.
All right. I guess we'll find out at the end of the episode.
Yeah.
Oh,
I-
it says OBR here. No, we can't see the number.
Oh, sorry.
Numero
I'm
cinco.
pretty confident that I got 100% of them
You
right.
guys want to switch any? Are you confident?
Are you locking it in?
No,
I am
let's just-
100% confident.
Okay, we'll find out at the end of the episode who got it right.
That was me.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
Welcome back. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Did you
We're
get some
team
water?
2. Water? Yeah.
You gotta cleanse.
Yeah, I got water.
It's actually really good.
We're going to win this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No way.
I got my lucky toucan.
Yeah, buddy. Sorry. Try visuals. Are you signaling something?
plug.
Okay. Okay, let's taste the first
Dive
one.
right in.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Give it a nice smell.
Ooh, I can tell. This is OBR.
No.
This one is not good.
That was the longest swallow I've ever heard.
This one is not good.
You guys have a guess?
Yeah.
I haven't even tried it yet. This guy swallows so loud.
Okay, I have one. That was.
Oh yeah.
That tastes like gas station coffee.
Tell me what you
sure.
think.
Gas station, man. I think this is 7-Eleven. That's my guess. That or Co-op.
Thing is, I've tried Co-op coffee before now.
I like it.
No.
Yeah, I do.
This you like?
No, not this one. Co-op coffee
Oh.
is pretty decent. It's not this bad. It can't be this bad. I hope it's not this bad.
I'm between A&W and Co-op. This is bad.
I gotta say, I think it's 7-Eleven.
I've had 7 before. It's not that bad.
Really?
You can do what you want, I guess.
Yeah, I'll put it here. I'm gonna put mine on 7-Eleven for now, but I don't think there was a bad choices.
The thing is, it's... The one we got from Sev was a Peru single origin, they call it. So that could throw us off a little bit. The OBR is a single origin, but it's from somewhere else.
Okay.
I'm putting mine here for now.
Okay.
I'd like to agree with you on all of them so we can win.
Mm-hmm.
But there's also some pride on the line as a coffee person.
That's okay. Katsu number 2.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Give it a schneef.
Oh.
Jeez, it smells the same.
You use a cleansing juice.
That's really good. I would drink that forever.
Dang it.
That's A&W for sure.
Yeah, I was gonna say that too. We're
That
gonna put that there.
Is just about as bad as church coffee.
All right. 3.
Tres
Yeah.
is my lucky number. Let's give her. A little bit different smells there.
It's a different taste.
Good different? Sorry. This. Oh, shoot.
Coffee culture.
Oh.
Can you turn that cup just so we can see the number on it? That way. Yep, thank you.
I almost think this is coffee culture.
I was gonna move my co-op one, actually.
That could be.
No. Oh, yeah. It's co-op or Sev.
Think so?
Yep. Yep. I think I'm gonna switch my. Oh, Deej.
Yeah. This one's, I think, coffee culture.
Really?
I think so.
I'm going.
It wasn't
That's
bad.
your last schlucks. You're switching co-op.
Yeah, you know what?
That one's 7-Eleven for sure.
This one's a little bit smoother, a little bit less mouthfeel, kind of like a single origin should be.
Ah, all right. Sure.
Did you?
I had 7 on my first one too. Yeah, so we'll hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, number 4. Ooh.
That was way too much water.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah. It's not the same.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
What's going on?
I almost want to switch this one to 7 and put my 7-Eleven to co-op.
Oh. I think I'm gonna put this one as. Oh, it's either co-op or A&W.
Yeah. What did I pick for A&W?
Number 2.
No, this one's got to be A&W. This one is the most churchiest coffee in the lineup. Okay, which one was mine here?
We both had the same number on there.
The front one?
Doesn't matter.
Well, I want to taste it again.
Yeah, I'm with you on this one.
Okay.
Hang on, so you guys, which one, what number is it?
Sorry.
4.
Number 4.
You both did number 4? Is it?
Yeah.
I'm pretty confident saying this is coffee culture.
Crap, me too.
You can choose it twice.
Actually, I'm gonna go.
There's a little bit of Tim Hortons right at the end. Isn't there?
That might be.
Do you get that?
Might be. Yeah. Oh, I think you're onto something.
Sometimes at church I have Tim Hortons coffee and it's like, I know I shouldn't, but I still do.
I can't tell.
Okay. I'm going with the culture
For number 2?
for number 2.
I'm gonna go co-op for number 2.
Okay. Keep in mind, so now we should be into the top 3. Should be.
These should be McDonald's, OBR, and Tim's.
Yeah?
Okay.
The big 3.
Oh yeah.
5. Okay.
5.
What's your cheer, Chris?
Sorry.
Ooh.
He likes it.
That's a smell. This one actually smells different.
Yeah, like there's some flavor notes there. Oh yeah, I don't even have to taste it.
I think it's
That's a
OBR.
Chemex, yeah. There's no question.
Yeah.
Number 6.
Yep.
Number 6 is the Chemex. That it's so clean.
Number 5.
5, sorry.
Yeah.
It's so clean and fruity. That's exactly like
That smell.
that's a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
That's what you want right there.
Shut up.
Now if all of a sudden one of these is like, ooh, that's the one, I look like an idiot.
Cheers, Chris.
I'm saying first smell, I get Tim Hortons.
Oh.
What is that?
Whoa.
I did the same thing in my brain, but it came out differently.
That is.
Is that Dawn's? I am starting to get a little bit like I'm 80 years old, you know?
Now, we should mention these are all lukewarm.
Lukewarm.
So.
And truthfully, as much as this hurts my soul, they were put in the microwave.
So it can skew our judgment a little bit.
But the pour over was still pour over. Man. I want to say it's Dawn's.
I think I was gonna say.
I've had lukewarm Tim Hortons. That's what that is.
Yeah, put this one at McDonald's.
Okay.
I think it is McDonald's.
Okay.
That was weird.
Either way, it's half a point.
Yeah.
So.
Last one, guys.
I can hear your judgment.
Are you judging us?
Yeah. I didn't smell it. Oh, you are probably right on number 6, my friend. No, I think you're wrong. I think this is McDonald's.
Dang it. I think this is McDonald's.
It's got that signature McDonald's right at the end. They got the warmer on the coffee maker, and they should turn that light off. Don't keep the warmer on, folks.
Nope.
You're burning your coffee.
This is Timmy's.
No. You do what you want. I'm an adult.
Yeah, just one more. And for those who, I don't know if we mentioned it, how the point system works. That we're gonna, each one of our votes is half a point. So if we land on the same coffee, that gives you a full point.
If you're right.
If we're right. That's
Which we are.
right. So the team with the most points wins.
This is Dawn's, number 7.
Yeah, I think we made. Ah, man, are you coming?
Where did you go ahead?
Tim's. Yeah. I'm not confident. I'm confident on maybe
confident on this one, and I'd like to say I'm confident on the Tims. I mean the Dons.
Well.
Otherwise, I mean it's a wash. I've never had A&W coffee before. I've seldom had from Co-op.
Yeah.
And
7-Eleven I've never had.
7-Eleven I've had a few times, not the single origin. They didn't even know that they gave such. Coffee Culture I've had twice. Like for a music video shoot, it was like
that's right.
The last time I had Coffee Culture.
Check out the video, link below.
I'm locking it in.
Okay, I'm good. We got this. Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna tally up our points and see who comes out the winner. Either Team Green,
obviously,
oh man,
or Team Schwat.
All right.
I had too much coffee.
Hey.
All
right, coffee number 1.
I have the answers right
Should
here.
we read out who?
The Ontvert?
Yeah, I have the on.
Okay, and then I will announce them.
Okay. Okay, so
Well, you gotta do a quick tally. Figure out the point system.
Yeah, it's fine.
Or do you
on
read
the
out?
table.
Read out who guessed which one.
Okay,
Do it on the table.
and then I'll mark it. No.
Oh my gosh.
yeah, it's just there you
Guitar players.
go. Okay,
Read it out first. Who did?
read out what.
Okay,
what they
so for coffee number 1, Goose chose Co-op coffee. I chose 7-Eleven. Ed chose 7-Eleven, and Chris chose 7-Eleven. So I was the
I'm gonna be
only.
right.
I was the only. No, Goose was the only offshoot of that. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the
So
odd
the
one out.
answer to that one is the first coffee was Tim Hortons.
Oh!
We were all wrong.
0 points across the board.
That was by far the worst one there.
It was bad.
It was.
Yeah, it was a bad start to.
I don't think it was the worst one.
No?
No.
It wasn't.
Hang on, we gotta put this.
So
over here now.
Timmy's was the first one.
So Timmy's was first.
Okay.
Coffee
So
number
nobody
2.
gets points.
Nobody.
0-0.
It's gonna roll to me.
Okay.
Okay, so for coffee 2, Goose chose A&W. I chose Coffee Culture. Ed chose
Co-op.
Co-op, and then Chris also chose Coffee Culture.
Second one is coffee culture.
Oh, so
Whoa.
me
We each get half
and
point.
Chris got half point. So
Well done,
tied
boys.
up at half point.
That feels good. Just getting one.
Oh, we
That
did
feels
it,
good.
even though we're not on the same team.
We also won the chance to play again.
Oh,
So.
score. Okay, for coffee 3, Goose chose McDonald's, and I chose A&W.
They're all different.
Ed chose Coffee Culture. Chris chose Co-op.
Oh, we don't call
Ed's already wrong.
Yeah. Right.
Well, number 3 is 7-Eleven.
So we all got it wrong. Everybody
Yeah.
sucks. We're really good at this game.
7-Eleven wasn't actually bad.
No, it was
No.
okay.
From what I.
No, it was actually.
See, and I couldn't tell. I was like, it's either co-op or coffee culture.
Yeah.
Or Sev. I knew
Right.
it was one of the two,
The
but
gas
I just...
stations, yeah, that's right. Okay, and then for coffee 4, Goose chose Coffee Culture, so he's wrong. I chose Co-op, and Chris and Ed both chose A&W.
Big 1-pointer.
So this could be.
Big 1-pointer.
This
This
could
is
be it.
for the dubs. right
Number
here.
4 is co-op.
Half point for green team.
No, I'm leading in points right now, guys.
Yes,
Let's
you
just
are.
Keep that in mind.
You're carrying me right now.
And we're the same from now on, so you're the points winner.
No.
No,
Let's
we're
keep
not.
going. It's
Yeah,
fine.
pretty much.
It's a little bit.
He
different.
is.
Well, we'll see. Okay.
It's fine.
Oh, he is. Yeah.
So number 5.
Is everybody chose Other Brothers for number 5?
Oh, hang on. Which one was the
Co-op.
Co-op.
What's number 4?
number?
What's number 3?
What was number 3 again?
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Yeah. So then co-op.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so for number 5, we all chose Other Brothers.
Number 5 is Other Brothers.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Thank you. That was the only one I was worried about.
That would have been unfortunate.
Oh, that would have been rough.
So then for number 6, Goose chose 7-Eleven, I chose Tim Hortons, Ed chose McDonald's, and Chris chose Tim Hortons.
So Ed was right.
Only one chance of being right here.
Number 6 was McDonald's.
Yeah, okay.
Tie game.
Which means A-Dubs was the last one.
Which means A-Dubs was
We
the last
tied?
one.
And none of us chose
tied.
A&W. So we tied. That's stupid.
That's the
How
worst.
do we break it? Find out next week.
Okay, now we all.
We have to do another episode.
How can we break the tie?
We're going to have to do a tiebreaker with another coffee.
Oh, I gotta pee so bad from all that coffee, though.
I'm shaking.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there you go, folks. It's a tie.
Okay, okay. How many points in total?
I think it was 1 each.
2 points each, guys.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Good job.
All right. Thanks for hanging out
Out
with
of
us.
a possible 7.
Right.
So, I mean.
So we failed.
Well, this is hard.
It is hard.
But
You
yeah,
try it at home and tell us how you did.
Tell us
Well,
which
see-
coffee you like
yeah.
the best.
Yeah,
this one.
probably.
OBR.
I
You know what?
Otherwise
The
you suck.
surprise Tim Hortons that we all thought
It was
most of us
We all
thought
thought it was
7-Eleven.
garbage. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Seb was actually not terrible.
Yeah.
I'm surprised the coffee culture didn't do so well.
No, because it's bad.
Well, it's awful.
It's not that bad.
Well,
normally I'm okay
it's
with
not that
drinking
good.
it.
I'm not a fan. But anyway,
Yeah, and normally I don't mind Tim Hortons as much as I did.
see,
tasting.
The only
And,
thing
okay,
that matters is that we all got
here's
OBR right.
here's the funny
So,
thing.
I made the Chemex, and that makes me feel good.
Here's the funny thing that was at the McDonald's. Most of us thought was Tim Hortons.
Yeah, I couldn't. I was back and forth between Co-op and Sev and Tim's
That's funny.
and D's. I was
Except
back
for
and
me,
forth.
I knew
couldn't-
I knew the McDonald's.
Yeah,
That
you
was good.
Yeah, well,
but
you have
still,
McDonald's all the time. That's
Yeah,
why.
dude. It's
McDongers.
one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
funny. Interesting.
Yeah, leave a comment in the comment section about which one is your favorite coffee other than OBR.
It doesn't have
No,
to be
not
these.
other than that. If it's your favorite, then comment.
Yeah. And like and subscribe.
Don't knock it over.
Yeah, man.
Shout out to OBR.
Yeah, dude.
Was it?
Yeah, sorry for saying it's
The
all
end.
diarrhea.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching this episode of The Green Room.
If you want to support the show, we have a Patreon. It's going to be in the description below.
Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe like always. And here's some videos for you to enjoy.
Yay, videos.
Bye.